So after working for hundreds and hundreds of hours on resin projects, I know firsthand which tools actually help and which ones simply take up space. That's why I worked closely with Resiners to create a kit packed with practical essentials. It's taken us about 6 months to put this kit together and decide on what we wanted. Also, I've tested and made sure all the products in it are great quality and accurate. You get a really large one, 600ml, you get the two that 250ml, and you get these ones as well, which I absolutely adore. I love these little jugs. They're so useful. Some sanding files, which are useful when you've done a little bit of over pour. I use these an awful lot, and that's why I wanted to include them into this kit. You get some micro brushes, which you know I'm always using and always talking about. You get a silicone brush, little pipettes, because I use so many of those. Some good quality tweezers with silicone ends on them, so you're not damaging anything or scratching molds or scratching things when you use them. Love them. A silicone fork, which I just had to include, which is perfect for mixing up eco resins. A nice long spatula. Again, silicone, so easy to clean, but a soft tip so that when you're mixing up by hand, and you want to scrape the sides of your pots, you can, and scrape the bottom and get a really good mix going on. A silicone tool as well for running around the edges to get rid of bubbles and pushing into areas where you think you might have some trap bubbles. That's not going to damage your molds. These are flexible levelers. If you're working on a board or you're working on a picture or a frame or something and you want to level it out, you can just pop these underneath like that all the way around to make sure it gets nice and level. If you get cured resin on those, it will just peel off. I've also got razors as well. If you want to do a picture pour and you want to raise it up, but you only just want it to touch something, you can use that and the levelers if you need to get a nice level finish, and then any resin will just run off that onto your mat rather than pooling along the sides. Now, I've been using this for a few weeks. Not sure if you've noticed my Resiners and Steve McDonald silicone mat. And you'll get one of these. They're a great size. They're shiny one side, so if you want to pour on directly onto the mat and get a shiny finish, you can. They clean up lovely, and then you've got your own resin mat with my logo and my name on it. If you're ready to upgrade your resin workspace with tools designed by real crafting experience, check out the Steve McDonald and Resiners Resin Pro Toolkit. The link for it is in the description below. It should also be on the Resiners website. It's a limited run, and I'm sure they are going to sell out quite quickly. Check out the link in the description below. Bye.